Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you the best and latest Firefox add-ons that will block ads, protect your privacy, download any videos from the internet, and make browsing easier. With the right add-ons, you can unlock the powerful and new features in Mozilla Firefox. Before proceeding, please make sure you like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. Firefox add-ons are also called extensions. These are the small tools that you can install in your Firefox browser. They can block ads, save passwords, customize website, or even download the videos from internet. You can install them safely from Mozilla's official website, that is addons.mozilla.org. Now let's start with Privacy Badger. It's a free add-on from the Electronic Frontier Foundation that automatically blocks invisible trackers which follow you around the web. Let's add it to Firefox and pin it to the toolbar. As you can see, once I visit any website, Privacy Badger immediately detects and blocks hidden trackers in the background. The best part is you don't need to configure anything. It simply learns and protects your privacy as you browse. The next add-on is Bitwarden, and this one is extremely useful because it keeps all your passwords safe in one place. Instead of remembering dozens of logins, Bitwarden stores them securely and lets you autofill with just a click. Just go ahead, add it to Firefox and pin it to your toolbar. To use it, simply log in with your Bitwarden account. If you don't have one yet, just create a free account and your secure password vault is ready to go. Now the next one we have is uBlock Origin. This is a powerful ad and tracker blocker. It removes pop-ups, banners, and hidden trackers and making the website loads much faster. After installing and pinning it, you can see how many ads and scripts are blocked on each page. It's lightweight, efficient, and one of the most trusted add-ons for Firefox. If you prefer something more simple, just go ahead and check out Purple Ad Blocker. It's a lightweight extension that blocks annoying ads instantly without complex settings. Once you install and pin it, you will see running it quietly in the background while you browse. It's fast, efficient, and great alternative if you want a no-nonsense ad blocker. Now let's check out Free Download Manager. This add-ons help you manage and speed up your downloads right inside Firefox. When you add the extension, it asks for a couple of extra steps. First, you need to have a free download manager software installed, and you can get it from freedownloadmanager.org. And second, a small native client is required so the extension can talk to the software. You will find this on GitHub. If you want to see the complete step by step for free download manager, I have made a simple tutorial. You can watch it in the YouTube card above or check the link in the video description. Next up is BetterTTV by NightDev. This add-on enhances both YouTube and Twitch, giving you a new features like custom emotes, dark themes, and cleaner chat experience. It is especially popular with streamers and viewers who want more control over how to chat and video pages looks. Once installed and pinned, you can head into the settings to enable emotes and other features with just a few clicks. If you spend time on YouTube or Twitch, Better TV is a must-have. Now here is the one made by Mozilla itself, that is multi-account containers. It lets you log into multiple accounts on the same website like two Gmails or Facebook accounts at once. You can create different containers such as work, personal, or shopping. Each container keeps your login separate, which is both convenient and more secure. You can also sync it between multiple devices, but remember to sign up for the first time. Finally, we have a dark reader here. This is perfect if you browse a lot at night. It enables dark mode on every website to protect your eyes from bright screens. After adding and pinning it, you can toggle dark mode on or off with one click. It's simple, but it makes late night browsing much more comfortable. So those were some of the most useful and trusted Firefox add-ons that can really improve your browsing experience. I have linked all of them in the video description so you can try them right away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, share it with others who use Firefox. And if you want more tutorial and recommendation like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.